What's going on, everyone? Today's May the 16th, 2023. Let's get this thing started. Let's talk about Sofi. Okay, we're going to talk about Sofi. I'm going to give you all my thesis, my thoughts as to what's going to happen next in the price action for Sofi without the confusion. But first, check this out. I want to talk about my prior price prediction in Sofi. If you guys didn't see my video, go back and check it out. It was on April the 24th, 2023. I don't hide my price predictions because I want to show you that how we're able to formulate our thesis, our predictions, our forecast is simple and easy. And then we like to come back and see how we did. Yeah, we like to do our own performance metrics to make sure that we're hitting the mark. Check this out. Here it is. We had a price prediction for Sofi going all the way back on April the 6th, maybe April the 7th. We was looking for the price to go higher. And we had our ultimate area of TP right there around $6.50. How do we know that that was going to be the high in the market in Sofi? How do we know that? We timed how high price was going to go. Look at that. It's proof that you're able to get in position, have a plan, and know where you're going to leave before the market completely dumps on you. Imagine the people who was looking for the market in Sofi to run back up to $8. Market never went up there. It hit a high right there on May the 1st of $6.54. And since that time, price completely cratered. Congratulations to you who was able to get this as well. 13.07% right there. Okay. Now let's try to figure out what's going to happen next in Sofi, because I'm not absolutely bearish and I am not absolutely bullish. I'm neither. That's why I'm zooming out this price chart, because I want you all to see how price has been trading all the way back to March of 2022. Nothing has really been going on in this particular stock. It has just been gyrating in between $8 and $4. So can you still make money when the market is traded from left to right? Of course. Your price target just simply needs to be smaller. That's it. Okay. Now, here we are. We already can tell that we established support in the market in Sofi around $4.25. That is why on yesterday's trading day, right here, you guys see all that volume that came in yesterday? That's because buyers entered the market. They tried to stop the market in Sofi from crashing. We ended the day down 5% still, but on the low, that could have been 8-9% low on the low that the market was down. Well, here we are today. The market overcame the buyers, overcame the selling, and was able to bring this market up there towards the high of the bar. Okay. Now that tells me that yes, buyers are still here, just like they were here during this time period. Okay. So now, it doesn't mean that we need to automatically go long and look for the market to go up in Sofi. Not yet. This is just the initial stages of us noticing, okay, this market may actually be finished with going lower. I mean, the high in the market in Sofi, price has been coming down since the beginning of February. Here it is, May the 16th. We may have actually saw the beginning stages of a market bottom in Sofi. But I'm not going to rush this. I want to get more confirmation. What we have here on the 2-day chart is what we term a probable precursor of strength, this price bar right there. Meaning that on this next 2 days, over the next 2 days, the next 2-day price bar needs to close higher than the previous one. Okay. That's it. Here it is on the 3-day. Again, we in the next 8 hours and 48 minutes. This currently looks like a probable precursor of strength again. So we just need to chill out. Let the market continue to confirm that buyers are coming in, and then we can actually and potentially put on another price prediction. But this time, rather than looking for price to continue to go down, we're going to do a prediction to look for it to go up again. That's it. So right now, the environment in Sofi is telling me that we need to chill out. We need to wait, be patient, look for the buyers to continue to confirm their price actions off of the price chart like they did yesterday. and then we'll come in and participate with them on the next move up. Until that time, this market move to the downside in SoFi is still intact. Got it? Now, next thing I wanted to show you before I go is this area right here. I think it was on the 2-day chart that even if we were to drop a price prediction looking for SoFi to go higher, this area right here is going to be resistance. Okay, so be careful. So I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm going to give us a couple more days to see buyers. I want them to convince us. Like, we don't move until we get more proof, confirmation that buyers or sellers are actually doing something. And as you can tell, going all the way back to the beginning of 2022 March timeframe, your thesis should not be long-term in SoFi. Now, let me tell you this, for the long term, those who like to hold stocks for 5, 15, 40 years, when you see this occur, this is a process that is currently ongoing into the market in SoFi. When you see a market for at least a year just simply trade and consolidate in a trading channel, there's a process that's going on. Now, the process could either be one of two things. One, either the market is buying SoFi within this range between $4 and $8 because they know in the long term, 3 years, 5 years, this price is going to be a lot higher than where it is today. So they're accumulating, they're buying the stock up. They're trying to evaporate the supply because the less that's available in the market, the more valuable the stock is going to be. If you're holding the majority of the supply of a stock, then you actually get to dictate the value of the market. Now, the second thing could be that they're still selling because they know in the next 2 years, SoFi is going to be a lot less than what it is now. Either or. Okay, understand that. So I would say, let's say that SoFi breaks below $4.25, our current area of support. Then this whole process that we've seen SoFi consolidate has been those who's been sitting on massive bags, tens of millions of stock in SoFi. They've been selling the whole time. So keep your eyes open on whether or not the buyers are going to hold $4.25, because if they do, then understand they're buying. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.